Hello and welcome to another update video. Today we want to take a look at Alibaba Group Holdings, BABA, which is currently following the preferred scenario, preferred wave count. It's been a while since I've covered Alibaba. We do cover it very regularly in our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link for that in the description. It's the Patreon link, which will take you to the stocks and S&P service, where we also cover the S&P 500 on a daily basis. But overall, the forecast here for Alibaba was still for a larger B-wave corrective rally. After an A-wave bottomed here in October 22, and then this B-wave is currently unfolding, and it is forming an A, B, C structure, where the C wave itself is a 5-wave move, and the third wave could be in its late stages now. I have added support for a wave 4, so that means if a higher low is forming, then support should be found between 86.70 and 97.37. I really don't want a wave 4 go below the 61.8 retracement level, because this is generally too deep for a wave 4. Doesn't matter if we have an overlap between waves 1 and 4, because this move up is clearly a diagonal pattern. So the C wave is a diagonal. That's also a good indication that it's not a third wave, because wave 3 structures cannot be diagonals, but it is a C wave, and the C wave is a 5-wave move, and each of the subwaves is corrective. So as you can see here, A, B, C in wave 1, A, B, C in wave 3. The third wave is still, even in a diagonal, often the most aggressive pattern or part of the trend, element of the trend. And then the wave 4 should be an ABC, and the wave 5 as well, and it might take us to 136.22, possibly rather 166.48, but we can specify that a little bit better and more precisely once the market has formed a top in circle 3 in the white scenario, because then circle 4 afterwards should allow us to, well, once the wave 4 is starting, we can calculate a target for wave 5 based on the initial 1-2 setup. It's a bit too early for that, because I need to know which extension levels it's going to reach. At the moment, this third wave, while it might seem extended, it really only reached the 1.618 extension. It's a very common extension level for a third wave internally. Yeah? So it means I'm on high alert for a possible pullback into this area. And then once we get there, there could be some support and the fifth wave could start. Good to see that there has been some movement. We had to wait a long time for it. Bear in mind that now the risk for a wave 4 pullback is high. The yellow count is still valid. That's the bearish alternative. We need a bearish alternative. It will become more likely with a break below $86.70. But at the moment here now, the risk is high anyway. Even in the white count, we're watching for a pullback. That's the update about Alibaba. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.